Y'all, here's a live demo of that new live translation during phone calls. Basically, it lets you talk in your own language and have it auto-translated while you're chatting on a regular call. Wild, right? This just came out in the iOS 26 Beta 3 update, and right now it's only working on the iPhone 15 series and up. I'll drop all the extra info down in the video description, so peep that later. As for languages, it's stacked. You got French, German, Spanish, Danish, Dutch, Norwegian, European Portuguese, Swedish, Turkish, traditional Chinese, and Vietnamese. Apple also said it don't matter if the other person's not using an iPhone. It still works. So check this out. I'm calling up this lady who speaks Spanish. While she's talking, her words pop up on my screen translated into English. And I'm even hearing her voice in English, because I set that up before starting the live translation. On the call screen, it's got the full transcript running in real time too. Super clutch. Want to see both languages at once? Just tap that translating label and pick both languages. Now you're reading them side by side in the same transcript. Clean. Like here I say hello, how are you in English, and on her end she's hearing it in Spanish, long as she's on a supported device. Heads up though, this is a premium feature, so it ain't built into the regular iOS 26 update for free. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. And yo, don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button for more free tech guide vids. Catch y'all on the next one.